Britain's ability to resist nationalist demands is diminishing rapidly. The huge costs of containing the emergencies in Malaya and Kenya have undermined Britain's finances. Then, in November 1956, Britain engages in a futile military adventure. Suez.
Forces are massing for a landing in the Suez Canal zone.
Dr. Edith Summerskill, Labour MP.
We went into Egypt as a great power in 1882 and told them that we were only going to stay there temporarily. Here we see now, as we speak, bombers going over the small towns of Egypt and intimidating the inhabitants. And I listened into the radio just now, and we were being told how wonderful it was that we were managing to intimidate a little country whose only source of wealth is one river and one canal.
The attempt to hold on to the Suez Canal against Egyptian claims ends within days in an embarrassing retreat. The United States refuses to support Britain's position. Britain's imperial might passes into history.